Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all children. Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I can see 28 participants. I need to wait for some more.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up. Please, the child who is not entering with his name, please enter with the name only. Need to mute you all, otherwise a lot of disturbance comes on. Can't take the class. Parents are requested not to have great voices at the back. Madhav, any query? Raise the hand early in the morning. Raise the hand early in the morning. I have muted you all now because a lot of disturbances were coming from the back. Madhav has some query. What happened, Madhav? Madhav? Madhav, what settings have you done? I'm not able to talk to you. I'll remove you then. I'll remove you or you start your video, otherwise I'm removing you. Let me just see your names first, then only I'll start the class. Keep your videos on. I want to see you people writing. Madhav, he has made some settings also on his own. I'm removing you. Don't make your own settings. I need to talk to you, your parents in the evening. Manthan, Hanji Manthan, bolo. Manthan has some query. Manthan, you have raised the hand. You have any query? No, he is not speaking. Manthan Gera. I have unmuted you. Speak up. I can see 32 children. Manthan. Yes, you have any query?
Ma'am, no, I just wanted to say you were not audible earlier.
Okay. I was not audible because you all were talking. I have muted you all. Now I will be audible. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think I need to remove Madhav. He has made some his own settings. Still, I can see a lot of disturbance at the back. You can either raise your hand or just show by thumb in case you have, if you are agreeing whatever I'm teaching, then you can show your thumb. Otherwise, raise your hand in between. I'll try to ask you, and please do not complain. He is being asked or he is being asked. We are hardly getting 35 minutes. We have to make maximum use of it. We are hardly able to do 2 or 3 questions in a day. If we'll do so slow, we'll not be able to learn. I hope I am clear to all. Do not feel he is being asked or she is being asked. Am I clear to all? Show your thumb if you agree with me. Okay. Last time I told you people that we are going to start with word problems of exercise 1.3. I told you people that I'm going to start with word problems, and you all were supposed to read out and note down your questions. Have you all noted down? Have you all noted down? Very good. Should I, can I start now? Yavi, can I start?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can start.
Have you noted down the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Jagnoor?
Ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now I'm starting with the solution part. I can see only 32 children. And the strength of a class is 40?
30, ma'am, it is 40, 43.
41.
42. Yes, 41.
Last two roll numbers have left. And Akhar has left. Who is this? Who is this? Keep your, please unmute yourself, otherwise you create a lot of disturbance for all the children. Keep your videos on. Safira, Abhi, Rishant, Madha, Vanchika, Rachit, Himnish, Pranay. I want to see you people writing. Why don't you understand this? Yes, very good children. Shivam is again off. Sarthak, Vanshika. See, the classes were planned so that you all can see me, I can see you. We get connected to each other. I hope you understand this.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, I would have sent you the solution part. You would have read that solution and you would have done the questions.
Copied
No
down.
use. I wanted you
Yes, ma'am.
people, I wanted myself to be connected with you. Now I am adjusting my camera. Just bear it with for a few seconds. Just 2 seconds. Do not unmute you yourself until it is I unmute you. Are you all able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll unmute you whenever I need to talk to you. Let me just explain you the question. I'm reading out the question. A certain freezing point process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? I am showing you, first of all, this question with the number line. Question says, initially the temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. I am using the gap of 5. Like this, suppose this is the number line and this is the initial temperature. The question says that in this procedure, the freezing is moving in such a way that after every hour, 5 degrees Celsius temperature is decreasing. Lowered is very important word here. Suppose it is the starting point. Now after 1 hour, temperature becomes 35. Next hour, like this. 1 hour, it reaches 35. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, and 10 hours. So after 10 hours, the temperature reaches at -10. Temperature reaches at -10. Nehal has raised her hand. Let me just see if I am able to talk to her. Nehal. Nehal, बोलो बेटा. Nehal.
यस मैम. मैम एक्चुअली बीच में वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था मैम. आप स्टार्टिंग से बता सकते हो?
हाँ जी बताते हैं दोबारा से. The question says that a certain freezing process requires room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at a rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Means एक ऐसा process है that initially the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius और हर 1 घंटे के बाद temperature is lowering down by 5. So I have drawn a number line. Suppose the temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. It is starting. First 1 hour के बाद 35, 2 hours के बाद 30. Like this, it will keep on lowering. And the question is being asked, what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? 10 hours के बाद temperature कितना होगा? It's the easy way of understanding what is the question. But we'll be writing the statement because it's a word problem. We'll write initial temperature. Initial means starting. Initial means starting temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Abhi, please note down beta. Initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature in 1 hour. That is -5 degrees Celsius. This minus is put because the temperature is lowering down. Temperature is lowering down. Temperature कम हो रहा है इसलिए -5 लगाया है हमने. Am I audible to you people? Let me just ask few of you.
Yes.
Nehal, am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Manas, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're clearly audible.
Very good. So I'm muting you all, otherwise a lot of disturbance will come. You will not be able to see the board. Or you yourself mute yourself. Okay, now they are saying after 10 hours, what will be the change in temperature in 10 hours? Kashmi, Kedia, Raisa, what will be the temperature? Change in temperature in 10 hours.
Ma'am, -10 degree multiplied by 10 is equal to -50.
-5 into 10. Because in every hour, -5 is change. -5
Yes,
का
ma'am.
change हो रहा है हर घंटे में. तो 10 hours में -5 into 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be -50 degrees Celsius is the change. So the
Yes,
final
ma'am.
temperature after 10 hours. Temperature after 10 hours.
Ma'am, +40 degree -50
Very good.
is equal to
So we get
-10.
-10 degrees Celsius.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is -10 degrees Celsius.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I had a query in question number 1.
Okay, I'll just solve the query. Wait. I'll solve.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Let me just finish these three questions. In the last, we'll discuss the queries only. We'll discuss the queries only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I hope everybody is writing. Vansh, are you writing? Show your thumb if you're writing. Yes, very good. Daksh is writing. Hurry up, children. If you have query, you can raise your hand. Please, children, focus on the question. Please, children, focus on the question. If you have done, Hanji Yavi, Hanji Yavi.
Ma'am, I have a query that can we write -10 directly, or we have to show that 40 plus minus 50
So you have
and
to show.
multiply
This
also?
process is important. This step is very important. And
Okay,
this
ma'am.
step is important, very important. Okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
So mute yourself, please, beta. Huh? Now, should I go for question number 7? Chirag, have you done, beta? Just show your thumb if you have done. I can move to the next question then. Very good. Manas is saying yes. Daksh saying yes. Kashmi saying yes. Very good. Vansh. Speak up, beta. Have you copied? Have you understood? Vansh, bolo. Vansh.
अभी कर रहा हूँ मैम कर रहा
करो
हूँ
बेटा करो. Wait. Himnish has some query.
No, ma'am.
But you raise the hand. Okay, John, now mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
no. Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Now, children, we are moving to the next question. It's a very interesting question. Vansh, better mute yourself. Then the board will be clear for all. Board will be clear to all. Prachi has raised her hand. Let me just see what she is saying. Prachi. Yes, Prachi. Auntie Prachi. बोलो बेटा.
मैम ये हमें नंबर लाइन बनाना जरूरी है.
क्या दिखाना जरूरी है?
नंबर लाइन.
No, number line is for your understanding. Question is more clear to number line. You will draw this number line in your copy right now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can we move to the next question? Children, show your thumb if you have copied. Okay. Don't worry. I'll also try to send you the content through Google Classroom. This is question number 7. Now I'm just moving to the next question. Next question says, in a class test, awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and zero for questions not attempted. 0 for questions not attempted. Now we need to find the score of two children, Mohan, Reshma and Hina. And we have been given how many they have done correct, how many they have done incorrect. And we have to find their scores. Just to make this question more interesting, I'll just do it with this. That was 6th question, now I'm doing 7th. I'll just do it with, I'll just draw 3 columns. Mohan, correct, child, name of the child, correct questions, incorrect, and score. So Mohan has done, they are saying 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. I am writing +5 below this and -2 below incorrect. For every correct answer, child is getting +5. For every incorrect answer, child is getting -2. Okay? Now, Mohan has done 4 correct. Let me just see what score he is going to get. Mohan has done 4 correct. So it means his score for correct answer is 4 into 5. 4 into +5, that is 20. And he has done 6 incorrect. 6 into -2, that is -12 is his score for incorrect answers. What is his score? Total score. Total means you simply have to add in the last. The score is going to be 8. Now for Reshma. She has done 5 correct. So 5 into 5, that is 20. It is +20. When we don't put any sign, it is automatically it is positive. And she has done 5 incorrect. 5 into -2. Children, do you know why I am multiplying it? Somebody will tell me why I am multiplying. Chirag, why I am multiplying? Chirag.
Hello, ma'am.
Why I multiplied 5 with -2?
5 into -2.
Why I multiplied 5 with -2?
Ma'am, multiplying would be easier.
No, wait, somebody else. Manthan knows? Let me just try. Manthan?
Ma'am, as the Reshma have 5 correct and 5 incorrect, so to know how much marks you have deducted, we have multiplied -2 by 5.
Very good. बेटा एक क्वेश्चन में -2 गया. 5 क्वेश्चंस में -2 मतलब -2, -2, -2, -2, -2. Okay, -10 जाएंगे.
Ma'am, and you have written 5 into 5, 20.
Ma'am, 5 into 5
Ma'am, by mistake you have written
Okay.
25. Ma'am, you have written 20.
5 into 5,
Wait.
20.
Ma'am, you have written 20.
Okay. Now the score is 25 plus -10. That is 15. Her score is 15. Her score is 15. Soham, have you understood the question? Soham? Not replying. Nikunj?
Yes.
Nikunj, समझ आया बेटा?
Ma'am, yes.
Are you able to copy?
Ma'am, yes.
Nehal,
Yes, ma'am.
put your head down then. Your hand is still being raised. And all of you please mute again. Otherwise, board won't be clear to others. Are you all able to see the board? Sifar, any query, beta?
Ma'am, no.
Very good. This way the question become, when you just show it tabular, it becomes little more easier. Otherwise, you can write in statements also. Right, Reshma? Then how many questions she did correct? How much score for correct answers? Then how many questions she wrote wrong, incorrect? Then what is the score for incorrect? Then total score. Next is Hina. She gets 2 correct. Hina does 2 correct. So 5 into 2, that is 10. And she does 5 incorrect. 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. So her score is going to be 0. This way, we have calculated the score of 3 children who have attempted for a test, and there were 5 marks for correct answer and minus 2 for incorrect answers. Let's go for next question. Children, would you like to try the last question on your own? This same way the question will be done. Would you like to try yourself? I need to talk to you people regarding your queries first. Children, say yes or no. Show your thumb if you're ready to do on your own. Last question. 8. Very good. Just copy down fast. Children, I need to talk to you regarding your queries. Can I change the view? If you have copied, I can change the view. Berlin copied. Aryan copied.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I change the view?
Yes, ma'am.
I am just changing the
Okay,
view.
ma'am.
I'm
Yes.
changing the view to me myself.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, children. Raisa has a query from question number 1. Yes, Raisa, speak up. I will place Raisa. Let's see. Raisa.
Ma'am, E part. Question number 1, E part.
E part, yes, 0. I showed that question on the board. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Whenever 0
Ma'am, 0.
while multiplying, the answer is always 0. 0 has a
0.
property. This property I explained you that whenever a 0 comes, in between the
Ma'am, I'm really sorry. That was not the question. Question number 5.
Question number 5. I did not even start question number 5. Why are you waiting for question number 5?
Ma'am, but I have done it. I had a query. That is why I wanted to ask.
Next time, question number 5, we need properties.
Okay, ma'am.
Deliberately, I left that question. Question is little difficult. I thought let me just finish with easy ones with my children first. Then
Okay,
I go
ma'am.
for difficult one.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I have. No,
Anybody
ma'am.
else? Raisa, mute yourself. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
children, I'm asking you that we have done exercise 1.1, 1.2. Any query from that? Any query? Then 1.3 question number 1, 2, 3, 4 I did last time. 6, 7 I did today. 7th, 8th you are going to try yourself. In case you have query, I'll try to help you people. Otherwise, next time we'll do question number 5. We'll do question number 5. That needs properties. It's very important question. Just revise the properties. Otherwise, I'll also revise right now with you verbally first. And the last question, that is fill in the blanks. Question number 9. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. That every child of my class can do. Every means every. Wait. Aji, Avi.
मैम आपने बोला कि आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कराओगे एक्सरसाइज 1.3 का. सो हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी उतार के रखना है क्वेश्चंस उनके पास.
सारे नहीं हो पाएंगे. Don't copy that. You will be able to. These were word problems. It need more time to copy. So that's why I told you to copy down.
So ma'am, what is our homework?
Homework is question number 8 and 9.
9 मैम उतार के रखना है कि we have to do it on ourselves.
9 you can directly do. 9 is a fill in the blank question, beta. You can do.
So we have to write this in our notebook. Question number 9.
Yes, because right now you're not filling up your books. Right now you're not filling up in your books. Okay. I may give you
thank you, ma'am.
I may give you few more questions from worksheet because side by side you complete a worksheet also. I may give you few questions from a worksheet also.
Ma'am, that will be uploaded on Google Classroom, no?
Yes, definitely. Okay.
And ma'am, by when will it be uploaded?
Today only.
Today after the class?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I have continuous 2-3 classes after my classes. I have few more classes after my classes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Next question number 5 needs more focus. I'll just revise the properties with you. First property is closure property, which means when we add or multiply two integers, the answer is also an integer. Okay, when we add, when we subtract, when we multiply, when we divide, the answer is also an integer. Second property says commutative property. Commutative means हम उनको किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऑपरेशन कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. वो हम मल्टीप्लाई में कर सकते हैं और एडिशन में कर सकते हैं. Go through the properties from your text part also before coming for the class. Go through the properties. I am revising with you right now also. That commutative means हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन कर सकते हैं क्या? When we discuss the properties, only addition and multiplication can be done in any order. Only addition and multiplication can be done in any order, neither subtraction nor division. Next is associative property. When we have more than 2 numbers, we have 3 numbers or 4 numbers, what we can do is we can add first 2, then add the sum to the last 2, or we can add them in any order. Same way for multiplication, but not for division, not for subtraction. Next is distributive property, the most important property. This we have, I remember we have done in class 6 also, but there the questions were for only whole numbers. Now the same properties are same. In class 6 you do for whole numbers, in class 7 you do for integers, in class 8 you do for rational numbers. Properties remain same. Distributive means when the number which we are multiplying get distributed to both the numbers inside the bracket. It can be into subtraction also and addition also. Properties I made you write also earlier. Just go through the properties before you come for the next class. Am I clear to all children? I'm just unmuting you all, or I'm just giving an option where you can unmute if you have query. Hanji, any query from anybody?
Ma'am, can you explain it please again? Ma'am, I just disconnected.
Which problem? Who is this?
Rachit.
Rachit, which property? Distributing the number. When I explained, you asked me also A into B plus C. Then A becomes A into B plus A into C. That A is being distributed to both the numbers inside the bracket. Okay? I just simply talked about the properties right now. And nowadays it is very important that I have to wind up the meeting by saying goodbye, and I have to end the meeting. I am just getting the message. Less than 1 minute, so I have to say goodbye. Otherwise, meeting will get over itself.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am,
Good
can
luck.
I?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Wish you
ma'am.
all-
So much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And I'm
ma'am.
ending the meeting.